Hello, welcome to Micron. This is the weekly Forex update. Before we get started, let's quickly show you this. Yeah, the Micron Premium Forex Signal Service is live and is available for $200 monthly. You can join us and get our services. We send you signals that are highly profitable signals, and we dare say we are the best in the industry. You can join us and get profitable signals. People who have been part of our platform where we shared free signals can testify to the profitability of our free signals. And now we have started this premium signal service for $200 monthly. There's a lot more profit that could be made outside. There's a lot more profit that could be made with this. So if you'd like to be part of us, the link to my contact is in the description below. Chat me up, copy the link, paste it, and join me. It's a Telegram link, Telegram channel, or Telegram link to my contact rather. Chat me up and let's talk about how you can be part of what we do, so you can also grow your trading account massively. Yeah, so back to today's analysis. USD USD CAD did what we predicted, that it would shoot out of this zone that it was as at the last time we analyzed the market. So where next do we expect the market to go? Let's take a look at the monthly. From the monthly, we see that the market appears to want to start a bullish trend, right? It hasn't broken the highs, but we've seen signs that it might shoot out of this area. Yeah, because we can see the range, and there's a range here, but before the range we had this impulse move. This range is like a rest and possibly a continuation to the impulse move. Yeah, that's just basic basic knowledge really in the forex markets, but does that determine what will happen? Well, not all the time. So let's take a closer look. This is the weekly. Basically the same thing. There's a range. The market appears to be in a range. If it doesn't drop off from this area, from the 1.37908 area, it drops off at the 1.38766 area. But we keep our fingers crossed, knowing that the market is was coming to a major resistance that has actually been in play for, I think, well, it's a long time here. This was 2022, almost 2 years now. This resistance has held. So when we go down to the daily, with the daily we see like the market is already responding to the resistance, but we're not convinced yet. So what I would expect is I expect that we keep our fingers crossed. If the market drops into this 1.365559 area and comes in contact with that and gives us a bullish close, a bullish signal, then I would expect the market to go to move into the 1.37908 area, so we can make some profits with that. But if that's not the case, if the market keeps pushing higher like it has been doing for some weeks, if the market pushes higher into this 1.38766 area, I'll be really careful to trade this, because this might be the breakout, because it has held for some years, but doesn't mean it's must hold this time around. This time around it might be breaking out, but if it comes into that zone and does a close below, then does a day close below that area, the 1.38766 area, then I most likely would look for a sell to the downside into this 1.3 7908 or this 1.36559. Yes, so that's what I'll be looking out for the USD card. Let's go to the AUDUSD. AUDUSD. Alright, so for the AUDUSD, what should we expect? We've seen the market do. The market has been bearish. And the market is currently bearish right now. So if we are to be just straightforward with this, we should expect sales, yeah, and nothing more for now. If status quo is maintained. So let's go down to the daily. Now I would, yeah, I said sell, but you know, the market could also start a bullish move at any point in time. It's a speculative market. So if we see the market move into the 1.63449 area or the 0.63449 area or 0.62719 area, it moves into that zone and gives us a bullish close above that zone. I would expect a bullish move that should, you know, come into the next zone of the 0.63449 area, or if it gives us a bullish move at this zone, then I would expect a move into this 0.64665 area, right? So that's what I would expect. But if the market comes in here close to this space and does a reversal into the 0.64665 area, then I would expect, because it's a bearish move from the top down analysis, I would expect that the market will drop a lot lower, right? This is the kind of trade you would take with some level of high confidence, because the top down analysis tells us that the market is in a bearish the market has a bearish momentum at the moment. Yeah, so that's that for AUDUSD. Let's move to the next one, which is NZDUSD. And if you would like to see how I'll be trading these pairs, you can just join me on the premium Forex signal service. It's $200 monthly. So now for the NZDUSD, take a look at the monthly time frame. Bearish, right? We can see it's written all over it. It's a really bearish market, really bearish. And even though we don't have a lower low at this point, it's still bearish because there hasn't been a convincing break of any high at all. In fact, there hasn't been any break of the high at all. So it might just be a penchant. If we use our tools here, I think it's called a penchant. I don't know the names of these things, but hey, I seem to be forgetting their names since I don't use them so often. So we might just be looking at a break below this. Actually, we're seeing something like that, but the month hasn't ended yet. We might see the market come back into this area. I think that's the least expectation with a penchant. Yeah, so that's just what I will be looking out for, a bearish, move down to this side. So how do we trade that if that happens? Well, if the market pushes high into the zone and then closes below the market pushes into the 0.59858 area and closes below, I would expect that it continues downwards, right? I would expect that it continues downward. If not, if the market comes into this area, into the 0.57876 area, and then closes above on a day close candle, I would expect that it also pushes higher for some time. Now, because it's a downtrend, we might not be expecting too much, right? We entered the sell trades with more confidence, but we we can enter the sell trade with more confidence than the buy trades. But of course, we can watch out for some, smaller bullish moves around that area as well. So that's that for NZDUSD. I hope you got that. Yeah, so I think that's that for that today. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.